Alright, let's jump straight in 11 life-changing tips you'll wish you'd known sooner. Number 1. Got a jammed zipper? Grab a graphite pencil, rub the tip along the teeth, it'll glide open in seconds. Number 2. Gum stuck on a shoe? Pour a little cola on it. Wait a minute, then scrape it off. Cola breaks down the gum. Who knew, right? Number 3. Smudgy windows driving you nuts? Vinegar water mix equal parts. Spray it on wipe with newspaper. Streak-free shine. No expensive cleaners needed. Number 4. Struggling to thread a needle? Spray the tip of your thread with a bit of hairspray. It stiffens up and slides right through. So simple, so smart. Number 5. Need to chill a drink fast? Wrap a wet paper towel around your bottle. Stick it in the freezer for 15 minutes. Boom! Ice cold. Number 6. Can't find the tape end? Press a toothpick under the end after each use, or use a paper clip. Next time, no more endless scratching. Number 7. Want shoes smelling fresh? Drop a dry tea bag inside each shoe. Leave overnight. They'll soak up odors and leave a subtle scent. Number 8. Microwave splatters making a mess? Cup of water, slice of lemon. Place them inside and run for 3 minutes. Stuck on gunk wipes away. Microwave smells awesome. Number 9. Lost a tiny screw on the floor? Cover your vacuum hose with pantyhose. Sweep it over the area. The screw gets caught on the fabric, safe and sound. Number 10. Trying to keep cables organized? Use empty toilet paper rolls as cable holders. Stack them in a box for a DIY organizer that costs nothing. Number 11. Keep your charging cable from fraying. Twist the spring from a pen around the cable where it bends. Instant protection. No more broken wires. There you have it. 11 simple tricks that will make your daily life way easier. Try them out and see for yourself. If you found these hacks helpful, hit that subscribe button for even more surprising and useful tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.